Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download videos from Twitter or X app. Friends, if you want to download a video posted on X app, then you need to open the app. Now here you need to open the video. Now to download this video, you simply need to press on the share button. And from here you need to copy the link. Now after copying the link, you need to open browser on your mobile phone. I am opening Chrome browser. Now here you need to open publer.com. Now here you don't need to sign up. You simply need to press on the two lines and here press on free tools. Now press on photo and video downloader. Now here paste the copied link and press on download. Now your video is downloaded on your mobile phone. Press on open to play the video. So friends, like this you can very easily download video posted on X app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.